This tutorial I will going to show on how to make outdoor natural photo manipulation with dashing dramatic looking. So let's get started. At first open your Photoshop software, then open your image. Select pen tool and selection your image. After full selected, then mouse right click and make selection. Now press Alt/Ctrl+R for refine edge. Here select to onion skin. And select refine tool and refine your outside area. Here make sure to smooth to and output to new layer and click on checkbox remember settings. Then OK. This time select spot healing tool and remove your skin all spots. Now select your subject layer and press Ctrl+J for layer copy. Select this copy layer and go to filter, then noise, then reduce noise. Here select to strength 10, preserve detail 0, reduce color noise 0 and sharpen detail 20. Again go to filter, then blur, then surface blur. Here radius 8 pixels and threshold 15. Now hold Alt key and click on mask. And select brush tool and select foreground color is white. Opacity and flow decreases low. Now use on your face. Now hold Ctrl key and select your two subject layers and press Ctrl+E for layer merge. Now select blur tool and strength increases 100%. And now use on your image outside area for more realistic. How drag and hold your background picture to this image and resize your background image. Drag it down your background image. Press Ctrl+T and resize your image. Now select selected background layer and use color lookup. Select your any color lookup filter and must be opacity decreases low. Now off your subject layer and select your top of the layer and hold press Alt/Ctrl+Shift+E for apply current image. Again on your subject layer. Again use another color lookup filter. Now select your subject layer and go to filter, then camera raw filter. Here increases and decreases just something as your desire. Now OK. Again hold press Alt or Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Select this top layer and use gradient. Select your any gradient fill and from blending mode select to soft light. And must be opacity decreases low. Now use photo filter for more effective color. Now select this top layer and go to filter, then MIG collection, then select Color FX Pro 4. Here select to cross processing filter. And select your desired filter for more fantasy color. Click on Add Filter. Now click on OK. This time you can save this image. Thanks for watching my full tutorial. I hope you must like this tutorial. Please like, comment and please share my videos. Thank you so much for stay with us. See you next tutorial. Thank you.